Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Raja Lunia and let me take you to the trade details for today, that is 16th May 2020. So as you can see, I already have few levels marked for me on my screen. The first one is previous day low. Second one is actually initial day low. The third one is initial day high, and the fourth one is previous day high. So I took two trades today. The one was a long entry, another was a short one. Since I did not had any bias in itself in the morning, so I was able to take both the trades because my bias did not restrict me to enter into any kind of trades. So here the first trade was actually Nifty faced a very tough resistance. It in a way showed bearish momentum today. So but as we can see, it took a uh, it went down and then came up easily. So the idea was, and I would go long. The first idea was that I would go long if the high of this candle was broken, and it was high was 18,444.85, and it was broken in the on this candle itself. It was 18,445.5. So I went long here with my initial as well as this candle low. I would consider it as previous swing low. So the initial SL was 18423, but honestly, when I entered into this trade, and I would say I I did not even wait for this point to get triggered. I think I exited somewhere around this candle. Yeah, the one long entry 18445. Shell SL of 18423, but I trailed my SL to almost uh, to break even. I would say to break even or close to low of that previous candle, because the options were not moving very quickly. So I think the low was this point. So this was my first trade, and okay, my target was previous day's high, that was 18473. I'll try to write it here. Target was 18473. So it was fairly like 1 is to 2 trade. So as but I got loss in this one, minimal loss I would say of 5-6 points only, because I don't even think I exited this trade here. I think I uh, exited this one 18430. Yeah, so 18432, that's correct. This was my first trade, and the second trade was, the idea was to go short if the low of a day's low is broken, and again the target was this one, previous day low. And I would not say when the day's low is broken, as if you remember, we discussed 18390 was an important level for me, because first it took some support here, it took some rejection here, and then it took some support, and we planned a long entry here. Okay, so this time also, as we can see, it was not able to break 18390 decisively. Okay, and again at this point, so 18391. So the idea was to go short, and I was hoping for a very quick movement, a scalp movement, but it did not come. So I waited for, so as you can see, market went down again, came up, and then broke day's low here. So I shorted at some point here with initial, I would not say initial, I had only target as this one, previous day low, but also, let me show you. I was just checking it. I think, yeah, my pivot line was coinciding with, show you the CPR. So, yeah, so I'm sorry. So as you can see, CPR was coinciding at this level. So it actually got a very good support here. So I took an exit. I took an exit somewhere around 18,382 because as I thought like it is taking some support from some support at CPR, and the momentum will not sustain because a scalp movement did not come as I was expecting it. So, but as you can see, market went down fairly low today. But I took an early exit. I think I exited at some point here. Yeah, again, as soon as it touched its CPR, I exited it. So this was the second trade for the day. Short entry hit 18,390. I had a very tight SL of 18,395, just 5 points, because uh, I was not hoping any kind of reversal after that. 18 this 18,395 on closing basis, and initial target was 18,292, almost 100-point target here you can see, which uh, it almost gave us 80 points anyways had we stayed in this trade, but it's not possible for it's not possible to actually get into such kind of trades and hope, like there is no scope for hope trading here. You cannot just wait for the market to go down. It's, you have to believe in your setup, you have to believe in your thought process. And I thought like it would take some support from CPR, and I exited here. So 18,382. So these were the only two trades for me for the day. So I hope that you all were able to learn something from this video today, and that was particularly for me. It was, even if my view is wrong, even if I'm not, even if I'm trapped in a failed breakout or breakdown. So, but it's really important to understand when you need to take an exit and not to fight your trade. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video, and if you really learned something new from this video today, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. Until next trade.